class, in this video we will learn about square roots. First of all, we will learn what are the square roots. We know what are squares. Here is a number x. When you multiply x with x, you will get x square. So this is the square. And when you do the half of it, means when you remove this square, you can write it like this. This is the square root, means half of square. Okay. Now let's find out 3 ways of finding the square root. Students, there are 2 methods to find the square root. First is prime factorization method and the second method is long division method. First of all, we will learn about prime factorization. So this method is very easy. Suppose there is a number 144. How can you find the square root of this number using the prime factorization method? And class, we can only find the square root of the perfect squares. Those numbers which are the perfect square, we can only find their square roots. So this 144 is a perfect square. Now find the square root of this. First do the prime factorization. Like you do the prime factorization just like that. Okay, it is very easy. So we have done the prime factorization of 144. What are the factors you got after prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now class, see here. Do the grouping of these number. Make pairs of the same number. We have to make the pair of the same number. This is the second pair and this is the third pair. So we can write class C, this is the sign of square root. Okay, this is the sign of square root, and here you have to find the square root of 144. How can you find the square root? Write these pair inside the root. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay. After pairing, see, now we have to remove this root. We have to remove this root sign. So after removing this root sign, we can write इस पेयर का सिर्फ एक नंबर लेंगे. We will write this pair as 2. This pair as 2 and this pair is 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. It is 2 to the 4, 4 into 3, 12. So square root of 144 is 12. पहले prime factorization किया, उसके बाद we did the pairing of the factors. We make the pair of the same numbers and write each pair as 1. This is the prime factorization method of finding the square root. Now see the another example. Now class, another number is 625. We have to find its square root. So first do the prime factorization. First we will do prime factorization. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 625. Now write the factors of 625. It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, these are the factors. And here we have to find the square root of 625. So 5 inside the root 625 को इसकी factors में लिखेंगे. And now make the pair. This is the first pair, this is the second pair. So we can write this pair as 5 and this pair as 5. Now remove this root sign. You will got 5 into 5, which is 25. So class, square root of 625 is 25. Okay. Students, another method is long division method. By using the long division method, find the square root of 784. तो पहले क्या करेंगे, मेक दी पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स. ठीक है, वी विल डू दी ग्रुपिंग एंड वी विल स्टार्ट पेयरिंग द नंबर फ्रॉम दी यूनिट प्लेस. पीछे से दो नंबर ग्रुप करना शुरू करेंगे. इट इज दी फर्स्ट पीरियड and this is the another period. Okay, when you pair the number, they are known as periods. So we started making pair from the unit place. This is the first pair and 7 left alone, so this is the, we will write it like this. Okay, this is the another period. Now class C, you have to think of a number whose square is either equal to 7 or equal to the first period or nearest to it. Now think of the number, square of number. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9. See, 9 is greater than 7, so whose square is near to the 7? Square of 2. Square of 2, which is 4. And here we write the question. Okay, now do the minus of these and copy the second period. इस पीरियड को कॉपी कर लिया. Do the square of this, double. Do the double of this number, which will be 4. Okay, now think of a number विथ 4 at tens. कोई भी नंबर जिसमें टेंस पे 4 होगा और वंस पे कुछ ऐसा सोचना है जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करके आइदर यू गेट टू दिस नंबर और क्लोज टू इट. सो सी, 41 into 1, it will be 41. Think of another number, 42 into 2, 4, 2 4s are 8. 43 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It is not close to it. 44 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 और 176. It is not close. यहाँ पर एक ऐसा नंबर सोचना है, टेंस पे तो 4 ही रहेगा. इधर you have to do the square of the number, like 45, so multiply it by 5. It is 225. 46 multiply into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 25 26 27. It is less than 384. 47 into 7. 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 32. It is still smaller. Let's check 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32, 32 over 6, 38. Now see here, after multiplying 48 by 8, you get 384s. So put 8 here and 8 here. 48 into 8, 384, and this is here. So what is the square root of 784? It is 28. We will see one more example. Students, you have to find the square root of this number by long division method. So first do the grouping of numbers. First do the grouping, this and this. Now students, think of a number whose square is either equal to 53 or nearest to it. So square of 6 6, 36 is smaller. Square of 7, 7 7s are 49. Square of 8, 64. So we will take the square of 7, 49. 7 7s are 49 minus this 429. Now double of 7 is 14. नाउ थिंक ऑफ अ नंबर जो यहाँ भी पुट करें और उससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 429 आ जाए. नाउ सी 442. See, we have put 2 here, so we will multiply this by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now this is not equal to it. Now we have put 3 here, so multiply this number by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So when we put 3 here and multiply it by 3, we get 429. So what is the square root of 5329? It is 73. Okay. Now let's see another example. See here. Here you have to find the square root of 66,049. This is a long number, so you cannot find it by prime factorization method. When you have a long number, a large number, use long division method. First of all, do the pairing of numbers from one side, unit place. Ones place से pairing करते हैं. Here, first period, second period, third period. Now think of a number. First, this 6 is alone now. So think of a number whose square is either equal to 6 or close to 6. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. So square of 3 9 and the square of 2 is 4. 9 is greater than 6, right? 9 is greater than 6, so we will take 4. 2 2s are 4. Do minus and copy this period. So see, we will copy this whole period. ग्रुपिंग की थी ना यहाँ पर, तो इस पूरे ग्रुप को कॉपी करेंगे. नाउ डू दी डबल ऑफ 2. डबल ऑफ 2 इज 4. नाउ थिंक ऑफ अ नंबर जिससे यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 45. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. If we take 46, multiply this by 6. जिस नंबर को लिखेंगे उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 25 26 27. Now see this 276 is greater than 260, so we will take 5s down. 45 5s is 225. Do the subtraction. Copy this period, this whole period. Now do the double of number at unit place. 45 में यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या था? 5 था, तो ऐड कर देंगे 5. इट विल बी 50. सो नाउ हेयर 50. थिंक ऑफ अ नंबर जिससे यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आइदर वी गेट दिस नंबर और क्लोज टू इट. सो सी 50 इंटू 3. हमने 50 के आगे 3 लगाया तो 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. इट इज़ स्मॉलर. सी अनदर नंबर. 50 के आगे 4 लगाया, सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 4 ओनली. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. इट इज़ स्टिल स्मॉलर. 50 इंटू 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. It is still smaller. 506. 6 6s are 36. 6 5s are 30. Smaller. 507 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 5s are 35. So 50 के आगे 7 लगाया. 7s are 35. 49. 0. So what is the square root of 66,049? It is 257. Now student, we will learn the square root of decimal number 1.96. Now you have to find out the square root of 1.96. We will do it by division method. First, do the pairing of number, make the periods. Okay, Now you have to think of a number whose square is either equal to 1 or close to it. So square of 1 is 1 minus. Now you have copied 96 which is after decimal. So put a decimal here. डेसिमल के बाद का जब भी कोई पीरियड या नंबर कॉपी करेंगे सो वी विल पुट द डेसिमल हेयर. डू दी डबल ऑफ 2 1 इट इज 2. थिंक ऑफ अ नंबर विच वी पुट आफ्टर 2 एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय इट विच विल इक्वल टू 96. 2 के आगे लेट्स सी 3 3 ज़ा 9 3 2 ज़ा 6. 2 के आगे हमने 3 लिया तो 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 96. 2 के आगे 4 लेंगे तो 4 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जो नंबर इसके आगे लेंगे उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. और कौन सा नंबर लेंगे जो इसके इक्वल आएगा. 4 4 ज़ा 16 4 2 ज़ा 8 प्लस 1 9. सो 24 into 4 is 96. Okay. So what is the square root of 1.96? It is 1.4. In this question find the square root of 0.4225. First क्या करते हैं, grouping. First make the pair from the ones place. Okay, this we have make the periods. Now divide. Do the long division method. 4.2005. Now think of a number whose is this is the groups. Now think of a number whose square is equal to, yes, equal to this 0 0 0. Okay. Now we will copy the another period. So before it is after the decimal. So before copying it, put decimal 42. Double of 0 is 0. So that does not matter. Now think of a number whose square is equal to 42 or near to it. 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus 6. Copy another period. Do the double of 6. It will be 12. Now think of a number which we put after 12 and multiply by this to get 625. 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 11 12. 5 1s are 5 plus 6. So here we put 5. 125 5s are 625. So what is the square root of 0.4225? It is 0.65. This is the square root. Now students, you have to find the square root of 2. We can make the period. It is only 1. So yeah. Now think of a number whose square is either equal to 2 or near to 1. Near to 2, it is 1. 1 1s are 1. Do the minus. Now see, we do not have any number after 2. Okay, we do not have any number after 2. So we will put a point here and copy 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Because we copy the period, है ना, period copy करते हैं तो we will put 2 0 here. Do the double of 1, it is 2. Now think of a number जिसको 2 के आगे पुट करेंगे और उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन इट विल बी नियर टू 100. 4 4 are 16, 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9. It will be 4. 96. Now again minus. Okay, 4. Now अभी पूरा सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है, so we need more zeros. We have point here, put 2 zeros. Do the double of 4, it will be 2 8. Now think of a number whose is with which multiplying we get either 400 or near to it. 2 8 1 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4 2s are 4 or 1 5. Now 564 is greater, so we will take 1. After doing the minus, we got. Now it is still not 0, so we have point here, put 2 more zeros. Do the double of this one, it will be 2. Now देखो इसके आगे क्या नंबर लगाएंगे, it will be 2821. If we put 2, इसके बाद अगर 2 लगाएंगे तो we will multiply it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 16. It is still smaller. Let's find another number. 3 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 7 8. It's still smaller. Try 4. 2, इसके बाद 4, तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 or 1 9, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8 9 10 11. So 4 4s are 11296, 11296. Do the subtraction. You will get. Now again do the double of this last digit. It will be 2828. See here, you will, after when you solve it further, you will get this digit. So square root of 2 will be 1.4 141414114 and so on. If you solve this further, you will keep on getting 14141414. So we will leave this answer in 2 places. Okay, 2 places after decimal. It will be 41. So square root of 2 is 1.41. Okay, if you have to leave the answer in 3 places after decimal, so it will be 414. Okay. Now class, before moving forward, we will learn some identities. Here 2 numbers are in multiplication. 2 numbers are in multiplication and we have to do square root of them. We can write them separately. A under root B. Suppose we have 2 number 60. Okay, so we can write it as 6 into 10, and we can further write it as root 6 into root 10. Suppose we have 16 here, so we can write 16 as 8 into 2 and write it further as root 8 into root 2. When there are 2 numbers in multiplication, we can n are under the root, we can write them separately under the root. Now see another identity. Root of a fraction. Here is the square root over the fraction. So we can write it as root A upon root B. Okay. Suppose we have 2 root 3, 2 upon 3 under root. So we can write under root 2 and under root 3. Now let's solve some questions related to it. Evaluate under root 441 upon 196. So अभी हमने एक प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी थी when we have under root of a upon b. So we can write it as under root of a upon under root of b. So we can write it as under root of 144 upon under root of 196. Now find the square root of each digit separately. Let's first find out the square root of, let's find out the square root of 441. Make the periods. Square of 2 is 4, 41. Double of 2 is 4, 41 ones are 41. So square root of 41 is 441 is 21. And now find the square root of 196. 1 ones are 1, 2 so 96. So square root of 149 is 14. Now see, have here we have, after solving this we have 21 upon 14, and we can solve it further. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, so it is 3 upon 2. Square root of 441 upon 196 is 3 upon 2. Now students, see here, under root 98 multiply by under root 162. First, both these numbers are not perfect square, so first do the prime factorization of each number separately. Now write, from 98 we have 2 into 7 into 7, okay, multiply sign, and from 162 we have 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Do the pairing. We have here first pair of same numbers, another pair of same number, another pair of same number. Now remove the square sign. So this 2 do not have any pair, so this will be remain under square root. It will be 7. This 2 also do not have any pair, so this will be remain under the sign 3 into 3. Now what we have, root 2 into root 2. 7 3s are 21, 23 into 1 is 63. Okay, now class C. Root A into root A, we have A. Root A into root A, when you multiply the number under the root, we will have the number. Suppose root 3 into root 3, 3. Under root 5 into under root 5 will be equal to 5. So under root 2 into under root 2 will be equal to 2. Into 63, it will be 126. So its solution we have 126. Now students, in this video we have learned how to take the square roots, how to find the square root. First by prime factorization method, and division method. Now after this video you will be able to solve the exercises of 3D, 3E, 3F and 3G. Now you can do these 3 exercises. We will discuss some sums of these 3 exercises in the next video, but try to do the sums of these 3 exercises. This is your homework.